How to fix Telegram downloaded files not showing on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix Telegram downloaded files not showing on Android device. So without any delay, let's start with the process and how we can fix that issue. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you're having that issue, if you have downloaded any files from Telegram and that is not showing on your Android device, these are the methods you can follow in order to fix that. First of all, head over to the main settings of your app and you just need to go to the apps. And after going to apps, you just need to search for Telegram on the search bar. Just type in Telegram and tap on Telegram app. After going to Telegram app, you need to give permissions. Go to permissions and make sure you have given permissions to files and media. Allow access. After that is done, you just need to uninstall the app and reinstall the app also. That is also necessary. After that, go under storage and go to manage storage. After going to manage storage, you need to clear the cache of your Telegram. After that is done, your cache is cleared, you just need to head over to the Telegram app and try downloading one of the files. After that is downloaded, you just need to get to the file manager of your device. After that, go to your internal storage, Android and media. After that, go under org.telegram.messenger and here you should be able to find Telegram. Just look up for the media that you were trying to download. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to download files on your Telegram and you should be able to fix that issue of your Telegram's downloaded not being shown. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.